What's up guys, what time it is? It's time to make money. So in this video I'm going to show you a complete tutorial on how you can promote ClickBank affiliate products on Google or Microsoft ads. And again, it's a paid strategy. If you want to look for free traffic, I've created a video for that, but this is completely paid traffic where you can make a lot of money. So guys, let's get started. So before I begin, my name is Yavar. I create a lot of videos on how to make money online, tips, tricks, and again, I'm very straightforward and I show you the right way to make money. So let's get started. Right, again, as you could see my screen right now, this is my ClickBank, and again I'm using the same strategy, and literally I'm refreshing. So again, I'm now faking it out. Now the first thing which you need to do is again go to the marketplace. I would go on top offers, again with the ones which are converting, and I would go on high rank or high gravity. Gravity means how many people are making money right now. Okay, and ClickBank is a place, people who don't know, people who are watching this video for the first time, clickbank.com is an affiliate marketplace where you could sell products and get a commission, and literally you can get more than 50, 60, 70% commission. Okay, so again, it's better than drop shipping, it's better than selling courses or doing Amazon FBA. So this is it guys. So again, imagine you're selling one product and you are going to get average $138. So that's the best right now, where you don't have to pay for products, you don't have to pay for shipping. It's not even your product, you can just literally click the link and sell it. Right now, again, I'm looking for offers, right? So one offer I would look is Prostadine. Okay, so I don't know what is it, but let me open it up. And again, it's a prostate supplement. So again, I could see, okay, what does it do? You can search on Google, what does prostate do? So again, it's usually happens in men, where their male reproductive system becomes big, and again they cannot pee and they have pain, and usually happens to older men, right? So this is something, this is a supplement where they could take this and it could shrink it. So this is how it is. So now the first important thing is message the seller, right? Copy and tell him, listen, I'm an affiliate, please send me all the insights, all the keywords, all the pages. Send him a message. And second thing is open the affiliate page. Once you open the affiliate page, he'll tell you this is how you get approved, right? So just read about it and then just send your email and everything to get approved. Once this is done, right? So if I just go on, let me just write, for example, open this up. Okay, so this is the landing page where it says astronauts pee in zero gravity, saving 1,000 from enlarged prostate, right? So now once you know this, I've already sent him an email. Where did it go? So yeah, so I've already sent him an email, like I told him, please send me all the insights and everything. So he sent me a resource kit. Okay, you can literally email him, or they have Skype as well. So when I open it, it has everything, guys. It has everything over here, the product pictures, the native lander. So if you open this, it will show you how to create a landing page, and these are the headlines which you could use. If I go back again, Google and YouTube, if you want to promote on YouTube or Google, this is the keywords which we are looking for. So this is really helpful. Go back, you can check Facebook, emailing, demographics. It will tell you what demographics. So again, you got everything from your 40 to 70-year-old income is this. Again, what are they suffering from? So these can be your keywords as well: bladder, kidney, urinary retention, kidney damage, fatigue, depression. Again, it tells you the pain points, because again, you can create a customer avatar. What is your target customer suffering from? So again, he's feeling less of a man, he's frequently peeing, no longer able to enjoy themselves. So again, this is something which you could include in your landing page, okay, or your ad copy. Again, long-term effects are depression, wearing diapers. So again, when you're writing your landing page, you could literally just like show the pain points, right? You can have a urinary tract infection. Once you know all this, once you have the keywords, With Microsoft Ads, you can direct link. Okay, with Google, you need to create a landing page. So yeah, so for Google Ads, you need a landing page. So all you have to do is just go over here. Again, the reason is I'm currently not in USA, so wherever you're promoting, you need to search over there. So what I could do is I can take the keywords. Okay, what I could do is in our prostate, copy the keyword, paste it over here, treatment, and then once I go over here, so I could see a lot of see do this daily in large prostrate. You can open this again, spy on your competition, so you can see literally all the ad copies in Google. uh, Again, this is the page as well. So again, they're using the same page, but again, just spy on your competition. Okay, so one more over here as well. So let me open up. So again, something like this as well, where they are promoting it on Google Ads. And what you could do is go back over here and you can use one of these headlines. So copy this thing. So I'm giving you an example right now. You can just come over here and just, I'm giving you an example right now, right? So if I come over here, let me go back. If I can change this, right? So again, you can change thousands of men saved from again BPH by the prostate water bottle test, and you can change the image over here as well, or you can change the different headlines. And again, you need to be inspired from these landing pages rather than just copy pasting. This is what I did wrong in the beginning, where I just used to copy paste, and you can't do that because again, people have already seen those landing page and it's saturated, right? So what you need to do is come up with new headlines, and again, everything is in front of you, right? Again, you can just paste this as well. So again, you can create a landing page and paste this over here, and then yeah, so something like this, where astronauts never have to deal with an enlarged prostate. Again, now if you want to learn how to create a landing page, again, it's going to be a separate video, but just to show you guys, it's very simple. You can go on sites.google, and then again, it's like drag and drop. You can put the text box, you can put the images. So it's very simple, nothing is complicated. Select and you can add all the images. So I'm not going to show you in this video, but again, it's just like paint, where you can just put the text box, you can put everything over here, the image and everything. So it's easy. Now let's get back on how do you create ads, right? So again, we did a little spying. What you could do is open your WordPad. Once you do this, just copy whatever you see, right? So I see this, paste it over here. You're creating swipe file, right? Paste it over here, because when you're creating ads, this is really helpful. Scroll down. What else could be the landing page? We could do this. What else we could learn from? Again, keywords. We can use the keywords as well. Healthy, natural. What we could do is enlarge prostates. Okay, once we are creating the ads, we can take something from the keywords as well. So now we have everything right now. We have the keywords, we have the landing page, and we know where to promote, right? So we know everything right now. Now the only thing left is creating ads. Okay, so this is the most easiest step, guys. A lot of people think it's the most difficult, but it's the most easiest, because right now you have everything. Okay, think about you're cooking a food. Sorry, my example is a bit weird, but imagine you're cooking a food, right? The most important things are getting like the stuff, the ingredients. Once you have the ingredients, you just have to mix it, okay, and on the right combination. So now again, I'm going to show you both Google Ads and Bing Ads. With Google Ads, you need a landing page. With Bing Ads, you could just do directly. So again, visit my website, search ads. I can just name this for now. My computer is hanging, but yeah, I can just name this like this. Select English. Um, Tier 1 countries: United States, Canada, Australia, New Zealand. Just click over here, United States. For now, I'm just taking United States for an example, but I always prefer adding all of these countries. Come here, click on save and go next step. um, Prostrate, author, add group, author keyword add group. Okay, because again, this is given us by the author. And then you can just literally copy this thing, go on keyword match type rule, phrase match, exact match, and choose to lowercase. I would not prefer broad match because sometimes you waste a lot of ad money on weird keywords. So I would try to keep it phrase match. Copy the results, go back on Microsoft Ads, paste it over here, save and go next step. Or else, if you have more budget, what you could do is again just copy one of those keywords. So I would say, let me healthy prostate. Copy this thing, come back over here, search over here, enter, and then you can find a lot of keywords as well, right? But now if you're new, I would only prefer just using the keywords which are given, because again, success leave clues, right? So author has given you, the product owner has given you keywords, which means they're already converting. Plus, when you think about it, even your ads, it's a proven system. Success leaves clues. So people are already spending the money, right? Which means they are making money, right? Again, it's a close guess, but obviously no one would keep these ads running for a long time. So once I have everything, just click save and go next step, create an ad. Again, now what you could do is just copy this thing, paste it over here, tracking template, open it up. Okay, before the video, before the question mark, just paste it over here. Okay, now the headlines is very simple. For this video, what I'm going to do is click over here. Okay, do this daily, do this daily, do this daily, and again do this daily, enlarge prostrate. Okay, do this daily, enlarge prostrate. Okay, and then you can come back, copy this thing. Now I'm just copy pasting, guys, but then I told you, right, you need to now this is done. I go on URL option, test. Yeah, so everything is found. Our tracking is also working, and you don't even have to spend for tracking tools. This is your tracking as well. And if you want to track more, you could just on your TID, you could add Bing or Microsoft ads. Okay, so once you add ads, again, you know it's coming from Microsoft, and then you can add your ad group as well. So if our ad group is author keyword, you can literally type author keyword. So we know once we get a sale, we know it's getting from Bing and author keywords, right? So yeah, everything's found. You can do save. I'm not going to show you site link extension and all of these things. I've showed you in my free course. The free course link is down below. Go and check it out. Again, save and go to next step, and then again keep the same bid as it is, whatever Bing ads is suggesting. Keep it as it is. You can do maximum clicks as well, but I would prefer enhance CPC, and then save. And this is how you do it on Microsoft Ads. Similarly, same thing with Google Ads as well. Website traffic, continue, search, continue, continue. Again, you over here, you need a landing page. I would select clicks. Okay. I'm going a bit fast because again, it's very simple. You can slow down the video to check my steps. Click on next. Again, choose your tier 1 country. So I would say United States. I would choose networks. I would exclude display networks because display is a different ball game altogether where you need to show images. I'm not gonna, this tutorial is not about that. This tutorial is how to just get started and start making money easily. Exclude this thing, save and go next step. Again, the same exact keywords, copy it and then paste it over here. Okay, and then again it's the exact same. Go back. If I go back, just edit this, copy the exact same thing over here as well. So literally I could just do this again. Over here you need a landing page, right? So I would, for example, I would take this landing page. Again, this is just an example. You need to create your own landing page. If you can create on sites.google as well, you can literally click on publish. You can get the link. Once you get the link, just paste it over here on Google Ads. Same ad copy. Okay, and then just click done. Okay, and this is how you can launch the ads. And literally you could see, if I spend $3,000, I'm gonna get a CPC of this, and I'm going to get a click of this. Okay, so hear me out right now. Okay, so let me give you an example. Calculator. Let's open a calculator, right? It's opening. This is, again, let's say for example you're spending this much amount of money. Let's say you're spending $3,500. The worst of the worst conversion rate would be 2%. Okay, that means you're just copy pasting things. Let's say 1%. Okay, you're just copy pasting things. Okay, you're not even innovating, or you're not even thinking, just copy paste method. Your conversion rate would be 1%. Okay, so into 0.01. okay, that means 92. Okay, 92 people, like you're getting 92 conversions. If I go back on ClickBank, 130 is your average. Okay, I would be, let's say your worst, you're not even getting 92, you're getting half of this. Okay, you're getting 46. Let's say for example you're getting 50 conversions. Okay, with an average order value of $130 into 130. Okay, you're just double. Imagine you spent how much money over here. You spent $3,500. Okay, and you got $6,500, which means you made double the money. Okay, let's say worst case scenario, there are some cancellations as well, right? So 10% cancellation, worst case scenario, 6,500 into 0.15. Okay, that means 975 is your cancellation. So 6,500 minus 975. Still you made 5,525. So now if we delete or remove the advertisement cost, minus 3,491, again you are making $2,000 just by copy pasting. Okay, so the sky is the limit, guys. Again, if you are much better, once you start creating ads, once you start knowing everything, you can get a better conversion rate. You can improve your ad copies, and I show you on my free course as well how you can optimize your ad copies. You can do a lot more things as well, right? And you can increase your profits. So this is how it is, guys. I hope you really like the video. If you want to learn more, there's a free course. The link is down below, and please consider subscribing, liking the video. And if you have any questions, please do message me in comments, or do follow my Instagram. I could reply you over there within like 2-3 hours. And I think so that's it, guys. Yavar Khan signing off, and I hope you really like this video, and take care. Bye.